China is making an imprint as a legend in the world's manufacturing industry. Amidst the rise of a new scientific and technological revolution, there stood a manufacturing country in the East that is boldly embarking on a brand new journey, welcoming the upcoming of intelligent manufacturing in China. The automobile manufacturing field, which acts as a pillar industry, reflects the intelligent manufacturing and export capability of a country. With a deep foundation of over 20 years in the auto parts industry, we specialize in precision and intelligent manufacturing of the automobile core components while providing intelligent manufacturing solutions to the automobile industry. Zhejiang Liming, as a Chinese brand, is proud to present China's new force of intelligent manufacturing to the world. Zhejiang Liming Intelligent Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 1997. We focus on R&D, manufacturing and sales for a variety of key auto parts, and are committed to becoming one of the world's leading suppliers of auto parts. Zhejiang Liming has always upheld the aim of excellence made through character and shaping the future through intelligent manufacturing, which show the characteristic development of exceptional craftsmanship, innovative and intelligent manufacturing. For more than 20 years, we progressed from processing and manufacturing to independent research and development. Zhejiang Liming has the honor of witnessing and participating in the historical leap of achievement on the localization of core components in the automobile industry. Innovation drives technology. Zhejiang Liming has achieved breakthroughs in major technical fields such as cold precision forging and precision stamping, and is also China's leading company in technologies related to volt bridge, signal panel, piston cooling nozzle, and other products. We have a dedicated team of top-notch R&D talents and numerous provincial technological innovation platforms. Zhejiang Liming continues to provide innovative solutions to the industrial chains downstream. We have also conducted joint R&D and collaborative innovations in multiple fields to achieve the weight reduction and performance improvement of vehicles, empowering key technological innovations in the industry. Quality is something we will never cease to pursue. Zhejiang Liming has always upheld the principle of quality first and achieving development with technology. We focus on precision manufacturing, promote intelligent manufacturing, establish an all-round quality management system which involves production process, manufacturing technique, quality inspection, and other aspects. By adopting the notion of customer first and the management concept of creating quality products through our processes, we manage to achieve zero defect in our products, building a reputation on high-quality precision manufacturing in China, which far exceeds the world standards. Our precision production and intelligent manufacturing are based on advanced management methods. The advantages of process efficiency in Zhejiang Liming are highlighted through the implementation of advanced management method, which combines lean production with 5S management, creating the unique Liming mode, which speeds up the process and improves the efficiency of intelligent manufacturing. Zhejiang Liming has gained a widely recognized reputation in the market, known by the strength of its innovative intelligent manufacturing, craftsmanship, and precision production. We are now collaborating with many well-known automobiles and auto parts manufacturers on the joint research and development in the fields of production process, customized production process development, and other fields, which contributes to our solid leading position in the market. At the same time, our company focuses intensively on overseas markets, striving to increase the international market share and integrating actively into the global automobile supporting supply chain. From the very beginning, Zhejiang Liming is committed to develop and innovate, to seek continuous growth in order to achieve great progress, remarkable achievements, and steady performance. Together, we strive for a brighter future. We move forward with pride, embracing opportunities. Moving on, Zhejiang Liming will be investing in a precision punching project with an annual production of 27.3 million pieces to optimize and upgrade our product series, further portraying our flexible production capacity and superb quality technology with high efficiency. Our effort in the R&D and production project of the compression release engine brake strives to break the monopoly of technology and becomes the frontier of this industry in a global scale. We have invested in the conversion of intelligent factories, upgrading and constructing our information systems as we intend to realize the digital transformation and to lay a solid foundation for Industry 4.0 while constantly keeping up with the current trends of the transformation in the manufacturing industry. Zhejiang Liming continues to aspire for greater achievements on the path of creating a competitive Chinese brand of intelligent manufacturing. Innovation is our spark to continuous development, while craftsmanship is the core competitiveness that shapes our brand. Zhejiang Liming, through our innovation and craftsmanship, is proud to demonstrate the pioneering spirit of China's intelligent manufacturing to the world.